You know them boy they will pick and full.
Cartel. No, Cartel, Popcorn, Alkaline, me not joke. Wagwan for the late night release of songs them. It can release like after 5 o'clock when people left from work and them something there and we can fully appreciate the song. Why me have to get notification say song Lego now and me have to get out of bed for come talk about it. Wagwan for the something there. Alright, so anyway the song is called, let's say Vybz Kartel Close Casket. Let me go and take a listen. January 2017, brand new song, alright. Okay, it have a little Grim Reaper vibe. Yeah. No, hold on. You hear the little style there? The little style of them say Alkaline a copy, you know. The little boy, you know, that little style there. Little person in your head make you stomach so. Yeah, the little style of them say Alkaline thief, so yeah, Cartel gone and the little melody there. Oh, good. But Cartel, what wrong if you never do until after you left high school? Or go on for the something there. Some people own is kicking late and everybody own or everybody ordains them premature. Wow. No matter how much time me clock it in your chest, if him no in your head him no feel good. Once again, I'm going to put on my natural thing for one talk about, you know, oh my god, I can't believe you're talking about violence. Look at Jamaica, there's so much violence going on here. I'm going to separate that part of myself and just appreciate it on the lyrics level. Yo, the man just gone in one totally different type of melody writer, so listen it. Wow. No, Cartel, give you a round of applause for the line there. I like that little line there. Hold on, I'm going to pull it back. Something about head backlet. My face white like Taurus, ask Ed Bartlett. Now if you don't know, if you do not hard know because you don't watch JIS and listen to TVJ News or CVM TV News, Ed Bartlett is the tourism minister. Yeah, my part of the JLP. So wait. When you got to the guy prison, at the PNP or JLP didn't power because yeah. So you know what my name not going to that. Close casket. No, I can't, no, there's something I feel like me a tanto black so they can't pronounce Baltoni. No, I can't say close, I say close casket. Closed. I can't pronounce it, hold on, I'm try it again, hold on, because maybe I don't know why my tongue I move like it a fasty. Close casket. No, I can't pronounce it. You just literally, when you say it, you just literally have to just say like I say close casket. No, let me just have to stop this right here. So you know what? Gaza, Cartel. Hear what? You know, me apologize. I'm going to apologize. I'm going to be honest. I did doubt Cartel. You know, Cartel got prison and I kind of doubt that he was still lyrically inclined and as potent as I'm seeing him deliver in this song called Close Casket. You know, I had lost a little faith in his ability and me I forgot to say sorry, Cartel, world boss, you know, sorry. I don't know why I never believe in you. I know Alkaline have it and me I say Papi and me get distracted because everybody I do it and for some reason I just say yo, maybe because Cartel a fart, you know, him not really have it like how him used to have it, but yeah, school me with that one, yeah. So I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry. No, Cree, no, why? No, big man thing. Why Cartel have to be so good? I just still can't believe why. I know the Gaza fans are gonna cuss me off like, oh, TheDuttyBerry, oh, if you doubt the Gaza boss. But yeah, but they kind of lose like a faith in them because Cartel they go 1 and 2 songs whenever, you know, them punch no, but them never really a last. But the one year now, like, yo, me I figure Cartel, a props, me don't know who I go Alkaline, me don't want to see if you're gonna respond because people are saying this is like a subtle Alkaline diss track. I kind of wish if it was going to be a diss track that Kartel would at least come out and say, yo, Alkaline, you may attack Fussy, and then Alkaline can come out with a song and say, hold that Kartel, and we can see who are the better lyricists. Because right about now, the two of them, yo, Kartel there, so Alkaline there, me never even know, the two of them are go hard. Hold on, but on a different side though, this song coming like a dancing tune, you know, like how the dancers, them, do all of them, the four of them, and them do them like a dance move them are gonna shell down this. This sound like something when they need to start practice on a choreography too. That is it, Burritos. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you like, share, and you comment. And please want to hear from you what you think about this Kartel song, Close Casket. Do you think that it was an Alkaline diss? Do you think that the Vendetta boss need to respond to this? Or am I just low it out alone? No, I'm tired. Do you think that this song they really shot, or you think say this, what, thumbs up or thumbs down? What would I have to say about Vybz Kartel's Close Casket? Peace out until next time. This was another Dirty Lyrics.